Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these DIY witch hat embellishments. Aren't they adorable, guys? So this tutorial is super simple. I want to start this video off by saying I'm going to be doing a Halloween series, and it's going to include a whole bunch of DIYs. There's going to be some paper crafts, a lot of embellishments I'm trying to work on. Also some I hope to do a couple of wreaths, some decor, maybe some paintings. I don't know. I have a lot of ideas, but I want to get started early. I know it's not even September yet, but I really want to start now because I know my schedule's going to be a little crazy. So I want to try to get as many videos in as I can. So to make this is super easy, guys. What you will need for this DIY, let's move these out the way. So you'll need a circle punch. I use this 3.5 circle punch by Recollections. If you don't have a circle punch, this is not meant, you don't have to have this. You can totally get something like, I don't know, a bottle and trace out a cup, a bowl, and trace out your circle and cut them out. But you're gonna need a circle cutout. Grab whatever type of embellishments that you have. And guys, make sure that you check out your stash because to be honest, I didn't think that I had anything that was like Halloween related, but I looked through my stash and I found so much stuff. So you're going to need paper. Let me show you guys what I have. Now these are from the Dollar Tree. I hauled these over the summertime. They might still have them. So it's glitter paper, and there's 2 different packs of these, guys. This is the 3-pack. It has three in each one. There's 2 sets of this. This one here has a lime green, this blue, and a purple. This purple here. The other pack has orange, silver, and I think like a gold. So those are 2 different packs that you guys can, if you guys are like, you know, want to get something cheap, you don't want to like spend too much. And these actually have it's a adhesive in the back. But we're not going to use that adhesive part. If you guys don't have glitter paper, you don't have to. Like, I made some of these using just cardstock. So just look, like I said, look through your stash. I have a couple of packs that I have purchased from Ross like a year ago, and I never used it. I went through it and I found some Halloween colors, you know, purple, orange, green. Another option at the Dollar Tree, I hauled these over the summertime also, and they're foil sheets, and it's 20 count in here. There's a ton of colors in here. They have a really pretty orange one. Let me see, I think I made one with that color. Yeah, so orange, really adorable. But be careful with those because the foil sheets, they kind of get stuck in your punches sometimes if they're like small, delicate ones. But for the circle one, it'll work just fine. Okay, so I said your circle you need your paper or whatever you're going to use. Oh, also, I found these at Dollar Tree like a year ago. And I just found that I have this pretty green color. These are foam sheets. And I believe they still sell these carry these at Dollar Tree. It looks like there might be an orange in there. But yeah, guys, so just check through your stash. Check out your Dollar Tree because they always have a ton of stuff, guys, that you can use. So we got our paper. We got our circle. You'll need some scissors to cut. And you'll need your hot glue gun and extra glue sticks. And as I said, whatever kind of embellishment you guys have, bust out your ribbons, just whatever kind of embellishments you have, stickers, if you guys have twine. So I went ahead and I punched out this purple color is so beautiful, guys. I went ahead and punched out a circle, and all you're gonna do is cut this in half, okay? And you don't have to fold it in half, you don't have to be exact, just eyeball it, okay? This half we're gonna cut in half so that we have 2 pieces. This is gonna be the bottom of our witch hat. this other half, we're gonna cut in fours. So half, and then another half of that. Okay? And as I said, just eyeball it. Doesn't have to be exact. You don't have to fold it over. None of that. And that is it, guys, to form our witch hat. Like, it's really that simple. So you have this two halves, and then we have this half that we cut into fours, okay? So all you're gonna do is glue your little triangle to your bigger triangle. So this round part is gonna be your brim of your hat, and we're just gonna glue this like that. And it only takes just a tiny bit of glue. You don't need much. And that's it, guys. It's that simple to get your witch hat. All you're going to do from here is embellish it as however you like. So for some of these, for this one here, I use some washi tape. That washi tape that I hauled from Dollar Tree. And the foil, the glitter one that's in that pack, it does not stick as well as the others. So I did have to glue this down, but I just stuck the washi and trimmed it. And here is some black crepe paper from the Dollar Tree, and I just made a little bow. You guys, I used some glitter glue. It's probably hard to tell, but I just put little dots everywhere. But guys, be creative. Let's embellish this one. So I have this gold metallic zigzag. I don't know. I bought this at Walmart. So I just cut a little piece, and all I'm gonna do is glue it down and trim it. So place your glue and just lay down your trim, your ribbon, whatever it is that you're going to use. Guys, be creative. Look through your stash, as I said before. You will find a ton of stuff that you forgot that you had that will look really nice with these. Sorry, my nails are getting so long. And then I'm just going to turn it around and just trim the excess. It's that simple. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? You guys can put feathers on here. Let's do another. What could I do with this one? Let's put a little... I did a review on my channel for a bow punch by Fiskars that I bought at Hobby Lobby. Make sure you guys check out my channel to see that. But it's a little punch where you can punch out, you can make these little tiny bows. And that's what I used for a lot of these. This one's kind of flattened, so I'm just going to use my paintbrush to pop it up a little bit. Alright. I'm going to grab another one. That one doesn't look too neat for me. You can put flowers on here. I'm actually going to put it on the back of this. And I'm just going to place it there. Isn't that adorable, guys? But as I said, just be creative, guys. I can't stress that enough. There's no limit to the things that you can do with these. This one I used some stones. I used some of the bling on this one. And that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think of these little witch hats. Let me know if you try them. I'm really looking forward to this series. Comment below. Let me know if you are looking forward to it also. And that's it for this DIY, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.